Tanaja.
And we are the founders of The Takeout.
The Takeout is a catering company based out of California.
We started this catering company about 3 months ago. We went from selling plates to catering at an arena for the MTV Wild 'N Out show presented by Nick Cannon. On today's Takeout, what we got going on, sis?
We're going to be taking a deep dive into preparing our stuffed salmon.
Mhm.
And along with that, we're going to have rice pilaf
Right.
and sauteed string beans.
With bacon.
Yes. Turkey bacon.
Stay tuned, guys. Let's talk about it, sis. What's going on? What you got here, right?
Okay, so right here we have the rice pilaf.
Okay.
And then we have the sauteed string beans with turkey bacon.
Yes.
Okay, and then we have the stuffed salmon with crab.
I'm excited. I love crab, right? I love seafood. Should I try it with the rice or I'll try it separately? Oh my god. No. No, this is really good. Yay. Oh my god. This is it. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thank
and
you.
We will be back with more. That's the Takeout, y'all.
Takeout.